Hello, I was going to show you how I mounted that amazing board by Paul Stevenson, aka Paul in the Lab, but I had the radio in the background and YouTube blocked the video because of the music. So in any case, thanks a lot to Paul Stevenson. So in the previous video I showed some soldering basics, so now here I have 120k resistors. I have this previously labeled. So to double check, I take my multimeter, I set it to 200k because it's an upper bound to get the right measurement here on the display. So now the orientation of these two probes does not really matter. With diodes it's a different story because it's an oriented component, a resistor is not. So we take two ends, right, and we press, and there, if you see the display, 120, right? So what happens if I want to measure another one, let's say the third here? It should also give 120, right? Okay, so we pick it there. Oops, sorry. Okay, 120.3. Why did that happen? Because these have a tolerance. There are like 1% tolerance, 5%, 10%, etc. right? So same here. So for example, if now I have a 470k, then I cannot set it here to 200k. So now I increase it to 2000k to get the right measurement. And same thing. Two probes, I press, and sorry, let me put the multimeter closer there. And it marks 469 within tolerance, right? So if I pick another one, let's say the other extreme, same thing. We pick it, and this one marks 459. No, 460. There is, right? So if I pick another one, let's say the second here. Oops, sorry. There. That's 468 within tolerance also. And that's it. With diodes, which one goes in which order matters here. It doesn't. I hope you like this video. Simple multimeter made in Wales, amazing quality, and you can see it's nothing out of the ordinary. And this is a Mercury, super nice brand, and see, Mercury here and amazing Mercury here. Thank you and see you in the next video. Please comment.